Are you tired of dentures that feel loose, look fake, or constantly irritate your gums? The Hidone Denture Set claims to solve all of that, offering a snug, comfortable fit using medical-grade rubber, all without needing a visit to the dentist. It promises to fix issues like bone loss, sagging cheeks, and poor fit with what looks like a simple at-home solution. At first glance, it sounds like the perfect fix, especially for those who don't want to spend thousands at the dentist. But when something sounds too good to be true, it usually is. In the case of the Hidone Denture Set, there are quite a few red flags that suggest this product may not live up to the hype. For starters, their website only shows positive reviews, no neutral or negative feedback, which is highly suspicious for any consumer product. Real users on Reddit and Facebook have reported receiving what looked like low-quality plastic pieces or even tiny beads instead of functional dentures. On top of that, the exact same product appears under different brand names, which is often a tactic used by companies trying to dodge bad press. They also claim to follow ISO, GMP, and other manufacturing standards, but there's no documentation or proof to back that up. Even more concerning, many of the before and after images on their site have been found on unrelated dental websites, suggesting they were recycled to create a false impression of results. Now, this doesn't automatically mean the product is a scam, but it certainly raises questions about trust and transparency. There's clearly a pattern of misleading marketing, unverifiable claims, and unhappy customers.